Hi everyone, I'm Daniela, and today I'm making eggless creme brulee. This is a perfect recipe for anyone with an egg allergy, or heck, those eggs are getting so expensive, so let's toss them out and try this one instead.
To a small saucepan, add 15 grams, 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour. Add in a 1/4 teaspoon, about 1 gram of salt. Add in 3 tablespoons, 45 milliliters of whole or full fat milk. Whisk that together until the cornstarch has completely dissolved.
If you're missing that eggy flavor in the creme brulee, you can swap out the regular salt for black salt. It's more sulfuric and that mimics the egg taste.
To the mixture, add 1 can, 400 grams, 14 ounces, or 1¼ cups of sweetened condensed milk. Set the heat to medium-high and start whisking. The sweetened condensed milk will start to soften quite quickly. Continue cooking the mixture on medium-high heat, stirring constantly for about 5 minutes. Once the mixture is bubbling consistently, add in 1 tablespoon, 14 grams of butter. Continue to cook the mixture for a further 2 to 3 minutes until it's very thick. The mixture is ready, so take it off the heat and add in 1 teaspoon, 4 grams of vanilla extract. You don't want to add the vanilla while it's still on the heat because the flavor will just evaporate out of the mixture. To make sure our creme brulees are silky smooth, I'm going to pour the mixture through a strainer. I like to do this into a jug that I can pour from. It makes it a little bit easier to divvy up into its dishes. Once strained, pour your mixture into your ramekins. I'm using quite small ramekins because the creme brulee is very rich. Give your ramekins a tap down on your work surface so that the top of your creme brulee is nice and even. These need to set in the fridge for 1 hour, but you can make them a day in advance and leave them overnight. Once cooled, sprinkle a layer of caster sugar on top of your creme brulees. You don't want the sugar to be too thick or it will be hard to melt and caramelize. If you have a kitchen torch, give your creme brulees a blast.
If you haven't got a blowtorch, you can do these in your broiler or your grill in your oven. Turn it on to the highest heat and set the creme brulee on a tray as close as you can to the burners, but be careful to watch it very closely. They can catch like this. You only want to add a fine layer of sugar on the top, so if you've added a bit too much, tip it off. Otherwise, it just won't melt and crisp up. Let the sugar set for about 5 minutes so you get that crackly crust on the top and you're ready to eat.
All that's left to do is crack the top and enjoy it. The caramelization on that sugar really helps cut through the sweetness of the creme brulee.
If you're a fan of an eggless recipe, you have to try my eggless sweetened condensed milk cookies. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and while you're there, make sure to subscribe because I come out with a new video every week. See you next time.